Now I decided to cut my hair and I really love how it turned out.
Yeah.
And welcome back for another DIY dress transformation episode here in my channel. My name is Jai, and for today's video, we will transform my brother's old long sleeves into a new top. So without any further ado, we'll start the video now.
So I took this blue polo long sleeves from my brother's closet to use as our project for this episode. Don't worry, I asked permission before using it. The first thing that we'll do is to cut off both sleeves of this shirt. Next is we'll put markings based on the measurements of our body and make sure to keep an additional seam allowance. Put the markings based on the desired length of the top. Now, it's time to cut them into pieces. We'll start in the front, then at the back. Once we finish cutting all the pieces, we'll put them together by pinning it. After pinning them all together, I took the remaining fabric of the shirt and cut off a 10 cm strip to create a peplum look for the top. If you have watched both of my previous videos, you may notice that I really like the effect of peplums. Attach the strip to the top by pinning it. Now it's time to sew all the pieces together. First, we'll sew the sides of the top, then the ruffles below to create the peplum look. Now it's time to hem the edges of the top. It's time to take out the sleeves we cut out earlier. We'll turn this into a puff sleeve, so the first thing we'll do is to make a case where we'll insert the elastic later. After pinning everything in place, we'll start sewing it and keep a small opening where we'll insert the elastic. So to put the elastic inside the case we made, we'll take a pin and put it on the end of the elastic and pin it in the opening that we made. And put another pin on the other side of the elastic and insert it on the opening and start wiggling it until it reaches the other end of the opening. We'll sew the elastics together using a zigzag stitch. Then, we'll close the opening we made earlier. Remember to stretch the fabric while sewing. Repeat the process for the other sleeves. I cut 2 diagonals on both sides of the top where we'll be able to attach the sleeves we made earlier. Don't forget to stretch the fabric while sewing it. Repeat the same process for the other sleeve, and tada! We're done! I even made a matching face mask and scrunchies for this outfit.
So that's it. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you guys like it. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!